Hello, let's begin session number 26. The topic is virtual memory demand paging. So, in this session, we are going to discuss what is the virtual memory and the page replacement algorithm, first in, first out, optimal algorithm, optimal search algorithm, LRU, which is least recently used page replacement. So, background virtual memory that is larger than physical memory, classical paging, demand paging, page fault, pure demand paging. So these all are we are going to learn in today's session. So first of all, we are going to see what is the virtual memory. Virtual is nothing but the storage mechanism which offers user of having a very big main memory. So here it's providing the big main memory to the user. It is done treating as a part of secondary memory as the main memory. In virtual memory, the user can store the processes with bigger size than available main memory. Means what here? So this is virtual memory is the larger memory space compared to main memory. Therefore, instead of loading one long process in the main memory, the OS loads the various part of more than one process in the main memory. So therefore they are using this virtual memory. The virtual memory is mostly implemented with the demand paging and demand segmentation. So here the types of page replacement method here are the some important page replacement method, first in, first out, optimal page algorithm, LRU, least recently used. So first of all, we are going to see what is the first in, first out. So the first in, first out is a simple implementation method. In this method, the memory select the page for replacement that has been virtual address of the memory for the longest time. So it is going to which one is using for the longer period of time, that page will going to be replacing. Whenever the new page loaded, the page recently comes in the main memory is removed. So it is easy to decide which place is required to be removed, as its identification number is always first in, first out of the stack. The oldest page in the main memory is one that should select for the replacement first. So this is the example of how we are going to replacing the pages. So here in this example, the three frames are using. So the values are pages given 130356 So here in the first frame, what happened, these are the frame using for page replacement. So in the first one, we are going to add it 1, after that 3, in the next one 0. So here these three frames are used. So here 3 misses, and next one we are going to replace the 3 is already present in the list, but we don't need to change for this here. So next one, the 5 is coming, but in this previous frame, look at that, there is a no value of page of 5. So we need to change in place of what, 1, because 1 is already first in, first out. So this is taken first place. This page is longer time is accessing, for that reason we are going to change this one in place of 5 is going to replacing in place of 1. So after that 6 is not present in the missing list, fifth one. So here uh, if fifth is not present, sorry, 6 is not present, so in the which page we are going to replacing here? In the place of 3, because of 3 is coming for longer time, so that reason we are going to change this 3 in place of 6. After that the only last one is remained 3, so here no doubt the 0 is coming for longer period of time. In place of 0 we are going to change this 3. So here again we are going to change this 3 misses here. So means what here? Totally miss, how many misses count here? 1 2 3 4 5 6, means total page number of fault is how much? 6. So this algorithm what we are going to call first page first out page replacement. Same, the next one is optimal algorithm. So optimal page replacement method select that the page for a replacement for which the time to next reference is longest. So here the pages are given, page reference 701203042303223. so number of page frames are 4. So in the first frame 7 is going to place, second one 0 is going to place, next one third next one is going to place 1, and fourth one is in the fourth frame the 2 is going to place. Now next one so here 0 is there, but 0 is already present in the list, so this 0 is over. Next one coming at 3 is also present, 3 is not present in the list, but the 7 is coming longer period of time it is coming, so this is the first we are going to list recently we are using, so that reason we are going to place this 3 in place of 7. So this 3 is completed, so 0 is present in the list, no need to change. And here the 4 is coming, 4 is not present in the list, so 0 is already we are using, so no need to change. In place of 1 we are going to change this 4. After that 2 is already present in the list, so no need to change here. So 3 is coming here, so 3 is already present in the list, no need to change here. So 0 is already present in the list, so next one 3 is present here in the list, no need to change. 2 is already present in the list, 3 is present in the list. So here total how many going to miss? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the 6 page replacement algorithm. So here 6 number of page fault will be occur in the optimal page replacement using 4 frames. So next one, list recently used replacement algorithm. So what happened in the full form of LRU is the list recently used page. In this method helps operating system to find the page usage over the short period of time. So here the one example is given, last example is similar here, but the using 4 frames. So here the 7 is going to place first, and second one is 0 is going to place of second frame, and 1 is going to place in the form of third, and 2 is 1 going to be nice. But here 0, next one 0 is already present in the list, but now we are going to change the 3. 3 is also going to in the place of what list recently 7, so in the place of 7 it is going to be changed. So next one 4 is replacing in the place of 1. So similarly this is the list recently used algorithm. So here is also total page number of fault is 6. So next one, virtual memory, that is larger than physical memory. Here what happened, the virtual space larger they given for memory mapping. After this one will going to send the physical memory smaller memory. Again it is going to use for the virtual main memory. So classical paging, process P1 arrives, requires n number of pages, n frames must be available, allocate n frames to the process P1, create page table for P1. So allocate less than n frames. So background in the virtual memory separates of the user logical frame memory from physical memory. Extremely larger logical space is available to program concurrent on the problem. Concentrate on the problem. Only part of the program need be in memory for execution. Logical address space can therefore be much larger than physical address space. Starts with address 0, allocates the continuous logical memory, physical memory. Collection of frames. So virtual memory can be implemented via demand paging and demand segment. So demand paging is what here. Bring page into memory only when it is needed, when the demand is came. That time lazy swapper never swaps a page into memory unless page will be needed. Swapper that deals with the page is the pager. Less input output needed, no necessary input, unnecessary input output. Less memory is needed, more users. Next one, the page needed reference to it, invalid reference abroad, not in memory, bring to memory. So this is the how transfer a paged memory to continuous disk space. So here they are given two program in the main memory. Those are swapping the values in swap out, swap in, using these two, using continuous, using disk space. When we want to execute a process swap in, instead of swap enter process, load the page and the pager. So page table fan, page table fan, some page are not in main memory. Pager load few necessary pages in memory. Logical memory A, B, C, D, E. So these all are the logical memory which is holding the frames address. In this frame page table holding the frame values. So physical memory will going to hold the what number of pages from the came logical memory, and that should be shifted in the disk space. So what is the pure demand paging here? Extreme case, start progress with no pages in memory. Operating system set instruction pointer to first instruction of process non-memory residence page fault swap in that page is pure demand paging. Actually, a given instruction could access multiple pages, instruction plus data, multiple page faults. What the hardware supports here means needed for demand paging: page table with valid invalid bit, secondary memory, swap the device with swap space, instruction restart after page fault. So these are the summary session. We are discussed the page replacement, these all algorithm, and how we can virtual memory that larger than physical memory we are going to accessing. So these are the references we are using. Books and web references is given below. These are the links where we can find out more information regarding operating system. Thank you for viewing the session number virtual memory. Thank you.